we love anything nautical or anything beachy. So I got these Starfish 3-piece gold accent seashell and pearl ankle bracelets for the girls for summer. And they're so fun. They're lightweight. They're just perfect for their summer outfits. Absolutely adorable. There is the starfish, there's the shell, and very cute. But each one, they're very stretchy and very nice. They fit their little teen ankles perfectly with absolutely no problems getting it over their foot to their ankle. They're cute and they're very versatile. I love the combo, the starfish, the seashell, and then the beads, but they look very nice when they're stacked. They look very nice on their barefoot beach feet, and they look super cute with their flip-flops and their sandals. Very unique, a very nice value, but I highly recommend. And would I buy again? Yes, I would. I have no problem with these, and I do recommend them.